Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorga day? How are you? How are you doing today? You guys, honestly, today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I have had the craziest week of life. I was out of town this past weekend, and I have been just like playing catch up because I was out of town for 4 days. That's a lot for me. Let me tell you something, 4 days is my limit. That's my cap. So today, what we're gonna actually do for my video of the week is we're actually going to vlog. Yeah, we're vlogging, okay? We're just gonna vlog like literally like 2 days worth of stuff, just like things going on, things happening, the vibes, the tea, what's going on. I thought it'd be kind of fun. You know, we're just sitting here. I actually used to have a vlogging channel back in the day, pre-2018, pre-cancellation. It predated history. If you think I spent $24 on this acai bowl, you would be correct. I had a vlogging channel back in the day, and honestly, I thought it was so fun. I really, honestly, genuinely enjoyed it. Dude, I loved it. After everything happened, I felt like I could only undertake so much, and the main channel was like what I was really trying to focus on. This channel, obviously. I feel like it might be nice to throw in some vlogs here and there. Why not? Like, I'm living throughout my life as I'm alive on this earth. So like, why not vlog it and just take you guys along the journey with me? I'm literally just Manny out in the field the whole time. Right? It's literally Manny on the field content, but the whole time, the whole video is Manny on the field. So I'm actually gonna be doing a live on TikTok soon in like an hour. I'll be going live for about an hour and a half. I finally got my products on TikTok shop, Jesus Christ. Lunar Beauty is finally on TikTok shop. It's been a journey from hell and space. And so, do you want a strawberry, mommy? I'm gonna cut it in half. Hold on, Zaya's right here. She's begging me for strawberry. Gotta give it to her. And then I actually have a meeting at 4. And then my night is more free, so I might go to the gym. So we might just go to the gym together. I'm not used to vlogging anymore. I'm just used to like living life, but I think you can be having fun. Let's vlog together. Let's live life. Let's live, laugh, love. Okay, bitches? Like, honestly, we gotta do what we gotta do up in this piece, okay? I actually have some time before I go live. Do you guys want to see a quick little not even a sneak peek, it's just like what it is of my living room. It has like been fully decorated. It's absolutely done. Final fucking, let me show you guys. It's kind of a mess. Let me see if I can like, let me see, hold on. That fucking Zayas toys and shit. Hold on. Here is the living room. I had to fucking move my Apple TV out from behind the TV because the service wasn't as strong. I don't know why, it's so annoying. But we have the couch. This is the couch that Laura bestowed upon me. And I actually had it reupholstered. So basically just recovered, still just as comfortable and absolutely fucking insane. Zaya loves these Rare Beauty toys, by the way. Obsessed. I got this really dope ass table that's like yin and yang, like you can combine them or separate them. I'm obsessed. We got this nice moss, oh, not the toes.
Now you're gonna pay, baby.
Nice, like kind of mossy green brown carpet. These cool ass swivel chairs. They move to the side. TV. Got this little plant. I was supposed to get a different like vase for it, but I just got this vase for now. Or what is it called? A pot? I just got this pot for now because I just needed something. And honestly, it's very cute. It's very minimal. It's really chic. That side is using the other thing to look out the window. We have the table and another rug, and then this cute ass chandelier above it. This like really dope chandelier. So that's kind of like what the vibe is now, you guys, in the living room space. I love it. I used 411 Studios. They just did such a good job, and I love this space. I love how it turned out. Because obviously, like when you're doing like interior design stuff, you like kind of put like mood boards together. You send to them, they find things, and then you show them, and then they show you like if it's something that you like. They're like, do you like this vibe? Is this the way you're going for? So you kind of like dwindle it down to seeing what you like. You know, it's not just like, okay, go and do it. So these are all things I picked from my boards combined, what they gave me, and I like kind of like hand chose from different things and like kind of put it all together here. And I love how it turned out. Like, I feel like it's gorgeous, it's chic, it's me, it's earthy, and there's like some color and vibrancy to it with like the olives and the greens and the browns like kind of popping. So I really love it. The couch is still a huge slay. Is that a bruise? What the fuck? The couch is still a huge slay. Like, I'm literally obsessed with it. It's so fucking sickening, and it's easier to clean now even than it was before because of this like material. Really easy to clean. Yeah, that's kind of what it all looks like, dude. Oh shit. So we're in the studio. So we're here in the studio, and we're gonna just do a quick little setup for the live. Guys, it's a mess in here. Why do I have a full ass fucking plate? So as I said, I'm gonna do a quick little live. And I need to set this goddamn table up to like actually look decent so I can actually have product to show it off. But it's ugly. Like, my desk just looks a full. It looks a full coverage. What I think I'm gonna do too is I think that like for lives on TikTok, when I'm doing like get ready with me, is I'm gonna do like flash sales those days. Like because I'm obviously gonna use a lot of Lunar Beauty stuff because I want to talk about Lunar Beauty on TikTok for the first time. But if I do like little flash sales for one day, the days that I go live, I think that'd be kind of fun. And it's like cool, you know what I mean, to like tune in for the lives. Because then if I'm doing like, let's say like today, for example, you guys are seeing this later, obviously, but on the live today, I'm gonna do a 30% off flash sale, like site-wide 30% off for 10 hours. Like it lasts that long. I feel like it'd be fun to do and just incorporate, and that's what we're doing. We're done. Wow, that was crazy. No, that literally, I just moved everything. So we're gonna do highlighter, of course, Moonshroom. Palette wise, which one should we usually do? Nude Prism. What are we pulling? Hold on, let's pull what we're gonna pull. I'm digging. I'm literally pulling out like all these palettes. For eyes, should we do Full Fantasy? We have Full Fantasy. We have a Siren Sunset. You guys are also slay. I can't choose. No Prism. Fucking sickening ass bitch. Oh my god, Moonshroom. Fuck me. Okay, we're gonna get it together. I'm gonna start this live and I'll be back when I'm probably fully painted. I'm just a shell. I'm a shell of a human. I'm not real. Oh my god. No, because in this like low lighting in my room, why does Moonshroom look so sickening, bitch? The shimmers. I just did my live. Okay, right? I just did my live. That did not go off with that hitch. Honestly, it was a mess. Like there was double products on the back end, and I had someone like figuring that out, but I was live at the same time, so it deleted all the live products. And I had to end the live, go back on. Fucking disaster. Low-key fucking disaster. Like literally pissed me off. I'm like, how am I gonna be a CEO like this? Then no, and get this. Literally, I ended up maybe like 4 minutes before 2 o'clock when I had a full-blown meeting, and I just had that for the past 48 minutes. Didn't even have enough time to wash off my glam. I went in like this. Lucky them, because I look sickening, bitch. It's been quite a day so far. I just ordered some food. I just ordered some Mediterranean. I love Mediterranean food. When I started eating Mediterranean food for like lunch almost every single day, almost every day, I've noticed the biggest change in my body when it comes to like being more fit. Like my body is more, I think it's because of the food, the intake, like eating less food, maybe not less, just eating cleaner food, cleaner versions of the food. So I feel like it actually has been kind of a slay. Eating that has like made a big difference in my body. People are now telling me like, oh my God, you look so good. Like you've leveled up. And I'm like, I've been working out for years, but it's the food. But anyway, I'm gonna eat. I'll show you guys the meal and we'll continue this live. Let me show you guys how I prepare Zaya's food, okay? Zaya eats when I eat, we eat together. So she gets her hard food. This is the Badlands Ranch Superfood Complex. Honestly, this is a good food for the dogs. If your dog can like this, it's a good food. It's like a harder food. Beef heart, beef liver, salmon, flaxseed, sweet potato, pumpkin, carrots. All good stuff for your dog. It's hard, but it is what it is. It's hard food. But then, so what I do a little bowl. And then I get my Luna Grill order that I used. That's what I do. And I'll get a little piece of their chicken. And I break their chicken. And then I put some of the rice in it. So this is her meal. This is her daily meal because I'm eating chicken basically every single day. So I just give her some of mine. So I'm not like trying to make her chicken every day. That would be crazy. Like I just can't. That would take too much time. So if I order chicken, whether it's pollo loco or this or some type of chicken dish, I shred it, get a little thingy of rice, bon appetit, and I'll mix it. The hard food with the chicken and the rice. Tell me she doesn't eat like a fucking king. God, I'm a good owner. Also get this, I literally de-glammed my eyes only. Do you see how there's literally just no product around my eyes? Bro, I forgot I had a brand deal due tomorrow. And I need to do my eyes for a set brand deal, okay? But I was already full glam because I just did the live. So now, de-glam the eyes, eat, and then re-glam for the deal. So that's currently my journey, that gurney that I'm on right now. And it's a journey of, again, space and time. No eye makeup for me, Diva, only the face. Because if you thought for 1 second, for even 1 millisecond, that I was going to de-glam the whole face to re-glam the whole face, you got another thing coming. And not the good kind either. Sponsor done. Eyes are complete. What do we think? I had to do more of a neutral Nelly moment. But honestly, it looks so pretty, and I still live. Change out the lip, went a little more cool toned. Oh, and I'm looking absolutely fucking divine. But guess what, you guys? Did all that shit. Now we're gonna review the episode of the podcast for tomorrow. The thing is, as I've said many a time, when you're an entrepreneur, a brand owner, a son, a brother, you're never really off. Oh, that was bad lighting for this texture. I mean, I have texture, I'm human. You're always actually quite on. Actually, instead, you're actually fiercely on because you have so much shit to get done. Yeah, a little bit too much sometimes. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna review the podcast episode, and then we're going to potentially go to the gym. So hopefully I can still get to the gym tonight. Once I'm done reviewing, the pod's long, it's like an hour, 20 minutes. So I'll put it on double speed. Even though me and Laura talk so freaking fast. I'll do double speed so that we can actually like get through it in a quickly, timely manner. Is it time yet? Is it time for number 2? I've had 1 Celsius this morning, but I could have another. You guys, I can't make it. I can't do it. I just finished reviewing an hour and like 25-minute episode. And like, I love it, obviously, but like we're reviewing the episode, but we've already filmed the episode, right? So it's like, I'm basically just reliving an hour and a half of my life twice in 1 week. You just got to do it. That's just part of being a podcaster, right? You just got to review it and you just keep it moving. You keep it cute and you keep it moving. And I just finished and it's almost like 5:30. Should I go to the gym? I feel like I should just wipe off my makeup and go to the gym and get a little workout in. Or should I nap? Oh, that's really a little too HD, isn't it? I also did just drink that Celsius while I was reviewing the episode, so I don't even think a nap is possible. I don't even think it's humanly possible for me to nap right now. I think I would have to do the gym. I fear. So I feel like let's go. We've arrived. We have got to the gym. I put on my gym clothes. I'm fully fitted for the gym. What was that? My shorts are really tight right now. I'm sitting. Okay, let's be honest. Anyways, you guys, so we're here. We made it out here. Honestly, let me tell you the team. I have 2 gym memberships. I do. I have 2. I have the one that I actually go to, like my normal gym. That is like my always gym. That's not the one I'm going to right now. And then I have this gym because I have the year membership. Like I never canceled it because I had the whole year. Like I bought the year up. So I'm like, I might as well just use it. And this one's technically closer to my house. So I'll close out the gym in 2025 so I can just have my regular gym. But right now I have 2 memberships. So I'm just gonna go to this one now because I don't wanna drive to my other gym. I'm just not feeling it. And if you think I'm gonna drive at 6:30 in the traffic that is Los Angeles, you got another thing coming. I'm just trying to get some cardio and I'm only literally going in for cardio. Like I did legs yesterday. My legs are sore and I've already like worked out my upper body the 2 days prior. I'm trying to implement cardio more now, even though I literally hate it more than I hate a lot of things. So I didn't play tennis this week, so you don't have to do cardio. If you're not doing tennis this week, you're doing cardio. That's why I tell my mind I have an internal battle every day. So let's go get a little workout in. Another big reason I don't like to come to this one, honestly, is that there's no trade. Dude, the other one I go to, everyone's fine as fuck, so I'm inspired to get my pump in. I said, I'm gonna get to like you, my boy. But now we're over here and I'm like, oh, I'm the hot one? Fuck. There's one hottie here. There is one hottie here. I report there is one hottie here. Yo, I'm dead. I'm literally dead ass. Dead. I didn't even do the entire workout. I did cardio only and I kept a push. I was gonna do cardio and abs. I said, no. I didn't have the energy today. I really didn't. I've had a long one. I mean, you guys actually know. Now I'm literally like, yeah, I've had a long day. I've just had a lot going on. You all saw it. And I know it might not seem like a long day to a lot of you guys, 100%. And I totally get that and I respect that. It's more just like a mentally long day. Like a lot going on mentally. When I'm mentally drained, I'll get a little physically drained as well. So I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna go home, get some dinner, eat some food, get some energy in me. I think that's what it is too. Don't have a lot of food in me right now. At this point of the day, I don't have as much food in me. And I need dinner. I just do cardio. I finished not last episode, but episode 4 of America's Sweethearts on Netflix, the Dallas Cowgirls. What's DCC mean? Dallas boy cheerleaders. It's about them, and I'm honestly really, really loving it. I'm actually obsessed with this fucking show. And I just finished episode 4, and I'm over here like this, knowing damn well I can't kick, like, to save my life. So I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna finish that, and I think I'll call my night a night. I was actually debating on whether I wanted to go to the movies tonight, just by myself, to go watch the new Deadpool Wolverine movie. But I looked at the fucking time. Yo, the shit is packed AF. Every seat is full. Every single seat is taken. I'm not even buying a seat for 2. I'm gonna have a lonely night. Yeah. I'm no longer being healthy today. The health is out the window. I literally did cardio. I still did the cardio, okay? So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna eat birria tacos with consume. Yeah. So this is actually the last activity of the night, you guys. This is our last moment together in the fucking vlog. I've actually had a lot of fun vlogging, I'm not gonna lie. It's like a different mindset because I have to remember to record. You know, usually with my regular videos, I'm used to just turning on the camera, recording in one big go. But in vlogging, you kind of do that little spurts of that the entire day. And I haven't done it in so long, I literally cannot remember how to do it. Diet Canada Dry, don't even get me started. I'm an addict. Fuck, that's good. I don't know how my hat changed. I don't want to talk about it. We dipped the birria taco into the soupy, the consomme. Birria San Marcos is the tea. Like, they really are the tea and nothing but the tea. Is that people? You know when something is really good and you have to just dance it out? I have to get it out or I'll implode. Question, now that we're like basically at the end of the vlog, what did you guys think of the vlogging vibes? No, honey. Jay's scratching me to try to get this food. I'm like, no. Is there any feedback for the vlog? What you think? If I were to do it more, do you like it? Then you enjoy the change of pace? Do you like when we're just doing the makeup videos? Let me know. I'm curious. Like, I was just doing this. I really didn't have an idea for this week when it comes to makeup. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just going to do a vlog. Just shoot the shit with you guys. And I would love to know if you guys enjoyed it, if you guys liked the shooting the shit vibes. And if you guys would like to see more. You know, this is also my YouTube channel. It's my job. At the same time, I would like to know. Do you hear that shit? Fierce. If there's any like insight you guys might have, like for other vloggers you watch, who do you guys like to watch? You know, like how do they do the vlogs? And if I should implement those things into my routine, since I don't really have a vlogging routine, because I don't really know what I'm doing here. I can blend a nice shout out though. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here and shooting the shit with me and just watching the vlog. I actually really enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys thought. If we should do more or less. I don't mind. I just want like the feedback. Have a great night or day, wherever you guys are, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you. Kisses and blessings. Oh shit. Oh shit. Where's my fucking nap? Let's go. Let's fucking go to the gym, man. Let's be gym bros together. Like, let's freaking go to the locker room. Let's freaking whip each other with the towels. Let's sword fight. No? All right.